Hammer it!
Come on, come forward. Get away from that
The
tree.
tree's in the way.
Now back up away from the tree. Oh! Now.
Why are you recording
Come
me?
on!
I'm not.
Back up!
Hammer it!
Come on! Come over here! Find a way to get over here!
Yeah, tell him to go right here.
Yo, dude!
Go right there, it's better. Right where all the sticks are, you can ride right on top of them.
Come on!
You're a good parallel parker.
Yo, over here! Yo, Tyler! Right here! Right here! No, he's going through where you went through. No, wait. Yeah, come on. Over here.
Oh!
Yeah, show this to your dad.
Oh my god, you almost hit me with this branch.
Come on. Come on. Holy shit. You're like Grizzly Bear gone wild. Come on.
Articat 650.
Shit.
Articat, ow!
Down the way, down the way.
Articat, ow! My balls! Articat 650.
Go!
Dylan's learning how to...
Cross Diesel waterfall. Whoa!
Oh! Hurry up!
Alright, back up!
Hey, let him crawl, let him go on top of that bridge. Oh!
Yeah. Yo, wait, no, go on the side here. Stand here, let me go.
What, are you gonna catch it?
Yeah. Try to straighten out though. Yeah.
You gotta turn more.
No, go slow. Ultimate ATV.
No, I'm not gonna do it.
No, come on, go! Come on! This is worth 50 stickers. You can't even get out! You can't get out! Let it come! We got you! Seriously, come on. You can't get out! Dylan, we're here. We will save your life.
I'm staying on this side here.
No, sit on it or else this one people. Okay, come on. We got it.
Put him low.
Come forward, come forward. Yo, come forward. Oh, dude. Come through here. It's quicker. Diesel falls is too much. Come on, let's go. Come on. Yo, you'll make it right here. Come on.
And we're done.